What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing a whole chicken. And look how we doing it on the flat top, y'all. And we also gonna do some asparagus on the side. Hey, it was so tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. So yeah, y'all. First thing we gotta do, we gotta rain on it. Hit them with that salt. That's gonna dry that skin out. So we gonna have crispy skin tomorrow. Then after we hit them with that salt, we're gonna go ahead and cut out that backbone. I know y'all know how to do this, but I gotta show you at least one. At least cut down one side. Now, of course, as I always say, don't throw this away, y'all. Chicken stock, y'all. Gotta have that chicken stock. So on this, after we get that backbone out, we're gonna go ahead and hit that breastbone right there. Hit it in half right quick. Just to spread it open a little bit better. And then we're gonna sharpen up our boning knife. And we're gonna start deboning this chicken. Now first, we're gonna take out the leg bone. So simply just cut down the leg itself until you reach the bone. And then grab the actual bone. And just work that bone loose with your knife. Now if you want me to just do a video on exactly how to do this, hey, hit me in the comments and let me know. But there we go, we got the leg out. Now after we get the leg out, we got to get that thigh bone out. Now we're not worried about not the normal shaped bone that the thigh would have in it. We're just worried about that main thigh bone. And we'll get that out. Now the reason that we're doing this is for even cooking, y'all. Even cooking. Yeah, because if you leave these bones in, you ain't gonna get no even cook on it. So let's just, same way. Once you get a hold to that bone, just use your knife and work it on free. Now next, we're gonna take out that breastplate bone. Now remember, chicken stock, y'all. So don't throw none of these bones away. Make sure you save them for your chicken stock. Now also, I did cut the tips off of my chicken wing. Now we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And we're simply gonna put the meat side down into that lemon juice. Making sure that skin side is out that lemon juice so that salt can do what it do and dry that skin out. Now after 24 hours of marinating in that lemon juice, and this is what we got. Can you see how dry that chicken skin it got? That's what I'm talking about. So first thing, we're gonna go and rain on them. Hit them with a little Old Bay. Now season it really well, and make sure you season both sides, y'all. Both sides. And then we're gonna get a little butter on our griddle. Now don't try that at home. Use a spatula, y'all. I'm kind of crazy. My fingers ain't that sensitive to heat. Now our griddle is on low, because it's gonna cook about 20 to 30 minutes aside, depending on the size of your chicken. So we're going skin side down first. So we just gonna let that bad boy go. Oh my goodness, he already look tasty. After about 15 minutes, we're gonna give it a flip. Cause we're gonna flip this a total of 4 times. Gonna flip it about every 15 minutes. Now this is our final flip of the day. And like I said, we flipped this 4 times. And oh yeah, take a look at how crispy and good that skin looks. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So let's go ahead and start on our asparagus. Gonna throw us a little bit more butter down on the grill. Spread that butter around and get our onions down. Oh my goodness, lost an asparagus soldier. And of course, you know we got a rain on. Gotta hit them with a little salt. A little pepper. Got to, y'all. Got to. Of course, after we hit it with that salt and pepper, gotta give it a little mix and mix. Making sure we break that onion up good along the way. After our onion saute for about 2-3 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and get our asparagus in. And after cooking for about 2-3 minutes, we're gonna hit it with a little water just to steam that up a little bit. That's all. Pop a little steam off. Make that asparagus a little bit more tender. And after that steam hits the asparagus really good, we're gonna give it a little flippy flip. And a mix and mix. So now after checking the temperature of our chicken, which is 165, it's time to get it on off, y'all. It's time to get it on off. And now we might as well use the whole griddle for this asparagus, y'all. Go ahead and finish this up right quick so we can eat. But anyway, it took maybe about another 2 to 3 minutes for my asparagus to get done. And it's time for us to plate up, because I'm ready to eat. And look at it, y'all. Now I got me some cheddar cheese, macaroni and cheese, that asparagus, and of course that chicken. Don't that look good, y'all? But anyway, let's take us a bite. So I got the chicken breast right here. Gonna cut me a little piece off. And just as I thought, tasty, y'all. Tasty. But anyway, y'all know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.